Hey everyone! Welcome to my first public studio vlog. I've been getting a few requests to make public studio vlogs on YouTube and I thought I would give it a try. I've made one for my patrons a couple of months ago and it went great, so I thought I would try this. I'm sorry, I have wet hair. I just took a shower and it's just too hot for now to use a hairdryer. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm an illustrator and character designer from Italy. So yeah, English is not my first language, so bear with me if I make any mistakes, and I will. As I've said, I'm a freelance illustrator, so making illustrations is my work, but I also work as a software developer full-time. So I have two jobs at the moment. So today is Friday. I was gonna say Thursday, but it's actually Friday. So it's the end of the week. I am currently working on Arkina Laetza's Draw This in Your Style challenge on Instagram. I've already done the sketch digitally and I've created a color palette for it. Now I need to decide whether to color it digitally or traditionally. But I think I'm gonna let my followers on Instagram decide that. So this is the Draw This in Your Style that I was talking about. And this is my sketch for it. I've made it a bit cartoony. And this is the color palette that I've designed. I've added like a light yellow background and some elements in the background. I asked also my Instagram followers, and at the moment traditionally is winning. I kind of hope it does win in the end, because I would really love to color this traditionally. I've just bought a huge set of colored pencils, and apart from that I need to start working on Inktober, because today is September 9th. This year my plan is to make all 31 drawings on like A6 sized paper with ink in black and gold, and I really want to sell all 31 originals in my shop once Inktober is over. Okay, so I've also used a blue pen, this one. I've made the parts where the purple colors stand out most with the blue pen, and the parts where there are more warm tones with the red pen. So we're ready to add watercolors. are the colored pencils that I was talking about. I previously had the 36 pack, but now I got the 150, which supposedly has all the colors inside. There are a lot of different hues. Here are all the light blue and blue hues, some green ones, brown ones, and gray ones here. I've already made a few drawings with this pack, but it's very limited. Let me show you. This is an example of a drawing I've made with a 36 pack. It came out pretty well, but yeah, the colors initially were meant to be a little different, but I didn't have the exact colored pencils, so I had to change them a bit. This is going to be this month's Patreon reward as a sticker. Another one I've made is that one, which I hanged over my desk with all this other art. This is something I made, but it's a print, not an original. This is from Sarah Faber, Poopy Cat, Sibyllin, Sarah Faber, Poopy Cat, and Sibyllin. This is another one of my Patreon rewards, and it's a print. Poopy Cat, Finalizing. That's mine, but it's a print, and this is an original piece. And then we have this, which is a print. Today is Sunday. My plan for the day is to start thinking about some Peachtober prompts, because yes, I've decided to join Peachtober instead of Inktober. The first prompt is cave, and I have collected some reference pictures from Pinterest. Then I have to finish my version of Arkina Laetsa's Draw This in Your Style challenge. I'm almost done. I just need to add some details with gouache and Posca pens. This is where I've gotten so far. I've finished using colored pencils, and as I've said before, I just need to add some details with gouache and Posca pens here and there, and just fix some edges which aren't very neat and clean. So yeah, this is basically my plan for today. I'm gonna go out to dinner tonight with some friends to celebrate a friend's birthday. I actually spent the majority of my morning designing a backing card for my new summer fruits stickers. I'm actually laying in bed right now designing this. I have 4 stickers that are blueberries, watermelons, bananas, and kiwis, that are the fruits that represent my Patreon tiers. So I thought I would make a summer pack with those fruits and prepare them for my shop reopening in September. These are the stickers that I'm talking about. I have my watermelons, my bananas, some kiwis, which is actually like this, some blueberries that are left from my Patreon rewards. These are all super shiny. They're made with vinyl. I think I'm going to sell a pack of these 4 until I run out of blueberries, and then a pack of the 3 of them maybe. Once I complete a design, what I do is I copy everything and I paste it into this other file that I've already prepared for old stickers. That is an A3 sized sheet of paper, because all my papers are A3. And then I just paste it here and move it in the corner here, and then duplicate it a couple of times and move it over here and move the other one over here. Then I just merge them all together, duplicate this new layer and move it down here, and then duplicate this again and move the result down here. So what I usually do when the file is print ready, I usually send it over to my computer to print it. This is the result. I must say I really like the colors and also the texture and the feeling of the paper here. Now I'm going to cut this while the printer prints the other 4 sheets of paper. It's currently 1:39 p.m. Now I'm now gonna go for a run. This is my blueberries sticker, my watermelon, bananas, and kiwis. All done. So these are the 4 packs with bananas, kiwis, watermelons, and also blueberries. And these are the 3 packs with only bananas, kiwis, and watermelons. I really love them. My new shop update will feature my entry for Mrs. Spotted Draw Designer Style Challenge, my side profile girl, my plant boy, which is definitely my all-time favorite, my annoyed encounter, and my Tada girl. I also have a Mirabelle sticker. She's from Encanto, but I can't sell it because it's protected by copyright, so I think I'm gonna add this sticker to the first orders until I run out of them. I don't know yet which print I'm going to add, but I know for sure that there's going to be this one that is an original piece. So I've already taken a few pictures of some of the stickers that I've shown you before, like this, my side profile girl, blueberries, my plant boy. I also have this one, but I need to take more. So I'm just going to upload some of these images on my online store. Okay, I've added these 3 new stickers, Medusa, my plant boy, and my side profile girl. I'm still missing these 2, the Tada girl and annoying encounter, and all the summer fruits packs, but I still need to take pictures of these, and it's currently 5 p.m. and I don't have a very good light coming from my window because the sun is almost behind the house now, so I need to take pictures of these and the prints tomorrow morning. So guys, I'm ready to head out to an aperitivo with some friends and then to dinner, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I have absolutely no clue how long the video will turn out to be. Let's hope it's at least 10 minutes long, but yeah, if it's not, I'm sorry about that. I will get better in time and with practice. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Bye guys!